This video teaches you how to apply a formula to an entire column using the full desktop website of Google Sheets. Go to Google Sheets in a web browser. If you are logged into your Google account, this will show you a list of all the documents associated with your account. Open a Google Sheet document from your list. You can also click Add button to create a new spreadsheet. Enter the formula in the first cell of the column. If you have a header row with titles, don't put the formula in the header. Click the cell to select it. Drag the cell's handle to the bottom of your data in the column. Use the keyboard shortcuts. If the column is too long to drag, or if you want to apply the formula to the entire column of the spreadsheet, click the cell with the formula. Click the column letter at the top. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.